pulse frame is an outline for a structured conversation that is an efficient way to get a resolution or decision in 60 to 90 minutes. A pulse-mediated conversation consists of addressing a series of simple questions which identify 5 key stages. The first step is to prepare participants for the conversation that follows. It's important to establish confidentiality, commitment, and authority. In this stage, the leader does most of the talking. The delta symbol is often used to signify the change agent or skilled conversation leader, the catalyst in bringing the other parties to a sustainable resolution. Delta is the symbol for change. The prepare step answers the question, how will the conversation proceed? Next, we review the past in order to uncover the different positions of the participants. Each of the parties talks directly to the leader and describes the situation and what they have come to resolve. The leader reframes the parties' concerns into a positive title for the conversation. It's important at this time for the leader to acknowledge any past emotions. This stage answers the question, what is the conversation about? In this stage, participants talk to each other to discover what's important to the other person and begin to develop their criteria for a better future. These criteria become the benchmarks for developing a fair and sustainable solution. The leader listens and probes, if necessary, to learn their beliefs, expectations, assumptions, concerns, and hopes for the future. The key question that needs to be answered in this stage is, why is this situation important? Or what about this situation is important to each of you? The search stage is the brainstorming stage. Together, the participants try to come up with options that will resolve the conflict and that also meet their criteria. The key question to answer here is, what if you did this or that? In this final stage, the parties draft a document or plan that lays out their intentions for the future. This plan is a result of the solutions that they've developed in the search stage that they can both agree on that will resolve their differences. They also agree to return to conversation if the agreement breaks down for any reason, and they agree on who will see the finished plan. This stage answers the question, what next, with a detailed plan. The beauty of a pulse-mediated conversation is in its simplicity. Its strength is in its complexity.